How to fix Uber Eats coupon not applied. The first things first is you have to be reminded that all the coupons that you are or you're wanting to use for Uber Eats might not be working. It's going to be depending on a specific food delivery or restaurant that you're trying to order food with offers a specific coupon. Now, I have here a specific website called dealpromo.net for uh, a general coupon finder. Just visit this website if you want, and let's try to look for a coupon from Uber Eats. So let's try to search for Uber Eats. So there you go. So as you can see, I have only two available code right here. Now for you to be able to activate or to show code is you'll have to follow a specific task for you to be able to get this. Now it might be gonna be like a captcha that you'll need to follow through for you to be able to have the code or a specific softwares that you need to download first for you to have the code. Now, the very common problem that the code does not work or the coupon does not work is actually you're trying to order a specific food on Uber Eats in which they are not supporting promo codes or coupon codes. So all you have to do is make sure that you're trying to enter a correct number or not expired coupon code that you will be using for Uber Eats and make sure that the food that you're trying to order offers a feature of having a discount of that specific coupon. So that's it. That's how you fix or troubleshoot a coupon that is not working or not applied on Uber Eats.